Hello everyone. Welcome to this video. Are you having trouble with sound on Pinterest? Many people face this problem. Pinterest videos can be silent, and it's really frustrating when you want to hear something important. Today, we will fix this common issue. We'll go through several simple yet effective solutions. You'll get your sound back on Pinterest, guaranteed. First, let's start with the basics. Check your device volume. Is your phone muted? Is your tablet silent? Look at the physical volume buttons on your device. Make sure the volume is turned up. Sometimes, it's that simple. Also, check the in-app volume within Pinterest itself. Many videos have a small speaker icon. Tap it to unmute the video directly in the app. Next, try to restart the Pinterest app. Close Pinterest completely. Swipe it away from your recent applications list. Then, open it again from scratch. This often fixes small glitches and gives the app a fresh start. If that doesn't work, restart your entire device. Turn off your phone or tablet completely. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. A full device restart can clear many underlying system issues and refresh your device's memory. Another useful step is to clear the Pinterest app cache. Go to your device settings. Find apps or applications. Locate Pinterest in the list. Tap on Storage. Then, select Clear Cache. Do not clear data unless you are prepared to log in again. Clearing cache removes temporary files that might be corrupted, but it won't delete your pins or account information. It's also crucial to update the Pinterest app. Go to your device's App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for Pinterest. See if there's an update button available. App updates frequently include bug fixes and performance improvements, which often solve sound problems. Developers release these fixes regularly. Sometimes, app permissions can be an issue. Go back to your device settings, find apps, select Pinterest, and look for permissions. Ensure Pinterest has all necessary permissions enabled. While audio usually doesn't require specific permissions, it's good to double-check. To narrow down the problem, test other apps. Is the sound problem only happening with Pinterest? Try playing a video on YouTube, TikTok, or another video app. If other apps also have no sound, the issue might be with your device's overall audio settings, not just Pinterest. This helps you figure out where the real problem lies. Finally, if all else fails, you might need to reinstall the Pinterest app. Uninstall the app from your device completely. Then, go back to your App Store, download, and install it again. Remember your login details before doing this. A fresh installation often resolves deeper, more persistent app-related problems. There you have it. These steps should help you troubleshoot and fix your Pinterest sound problem. We covered many solutions, from simple volume checks to completely reinstalling the app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you get your sound back, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Your support helps this channel grow, and it means a lot to me. See you in the next video.